I'm confident in saying that we've managed to perfect the G80 M3, and behind me is our demo car that is that prime example. It looks absolutely phenomenal, but naturally, we can't have every single BMW M car as a demo car, A, because they're all very similar in terms of the parts they use, and B, because they cost so much money these days. But we like to use our customer cars as examples of what we can build. And what we're going to show you in this week's video is 2 examples of M3 Tourings that we think are absolutely perfect. One on the more OEM side and one on a slightly more modified side. But let us know what you think of the Tourings and whether you think they top our G80 saloon. Behind me on the ramp then is a build that I've been quite excited for. It's crazy to see what we can do when you throw a whole host of aftermarket parts at a car, and this will be a prime example of that. But before we get too deep into this build, let's go over what we can do, but in a different way. We're going to take the full list of OEM plus parts from BMW and other suppliers that we work alongside and put together the most OEM plus BMW M Performance Touring we can. This M3 Touring then has been a project of ours throughout this whole entire week. This is a car that Tony dropped with us for a full build, and it's an impressive one at that. It features a whole host of M Performance parts, carbon bits, carbon accessories, and also integrating AC Schnitzer parts like the spoiler, which we actually had painted. It's an individual color, this car, so it's Manhattan green, so it's very different, and the interior is gorgeous. It's got a tan leather interior, and it is so nice. The colors work really well together. So obviously got the genuine CS wheels on it, which are really pretty, and they work well with the gold against the green as a color. But yeah, as a total build, I think one of the key parts is also the Akrapovic exhaust. It sounds gorgeous. This car is brand new, so it's not running yet, so we can't really go and rev it and drive it. It still needs to do its running in miles before it can be serviced, but the look of it is gorgeous, and the hexagonal tips. It's the first time I've seen these and fitted them as part of a system. Normally we do the cylindrical ones, but these are the full hexagonal carbon fiber and titanium tips. So yeah, they look really nice, and it sounds just as good. There's been a real theme of Porsches down at Motech recently. You may have seen that, or it may be in a video still to come. But behind me, we are carrying that theme on with the 992. This car's in for a day in the bay today. It's a car we have seen before, and it's absolutely stunning. The spec on it is gorgeous, but Lukasz is going to work his magic. We're going to get it through a full single stage machine, get that paintwork looking perfect, and then get a ceramic sealant applied. So without further ado, let's jump onto that. So you've seen what we can build using a host of OEM parts then, using things like the CS wheels and the M Performance height adjustable kit, and that car looked absolutely great. But I think I still prefer the aftermarket side of things, fitting things like the M-W4 wheels, the full carbon kit, again, but using things like a Remus exhaust. The Remus is just that bit louder, it's got a bit more kind of spice to it. We've got some future plans for it, so there's some more carbon coming, so it's a car that we'll probably see in within the next couple of weeks, but otherwise it's come out a treat. It sounds good, it looks good, and hopefully the customer is more than happy with it.